So it's the 2nd of June 2022, taking a day trip to Ramsgate Main Sands Beach. Found a place to park through the Just Park app, no affiliation, about 10 minutes walk away. May-June period is not usually a time when we go out to take a day trip to the beach, because it's not really that warm. I think today's only about 18 degrees. But the kids say they want to take a dip, so let's see how they get on once they put their toes in the water. It's a completely different feeling, but let's see. The streets are very tight here, very tight. You've got to be very patient when you're walking along here. Loads of families. Nice places to eat and take a drink. Nice marina here, look at all the boats. There you go, look, it's all these places to chill out, have a drink, have something to eat. A few fancy rubber dinghies and all that kind of stuff. There's all those kind of shops on the coast. Got the bikers. You always see bikers on the coast. And look, we have Miss Ramsgate, apparently.
When I came out there, was standing at the bus stop. Yeah, guess who's with me? That's my mate Bill. Yeah, that's wrong with me. Well, she is cool and heartless. Two pack people thought them. Just as bad looking at me. Just as good and trendy. Yeah, I know he's a moron.
Nice little open air market here. Looks like the mayor's here. Chippy there, Peter's factory.
Always with the rubbish.
Ramsgate Market. Looks like a calf. Oh, it is a calf. There we go. Oh, there's loads of things to do for the kids. Look at that. England penalty shootout. I fancy that. But you never know. Sometimes with the Sondico balls, you just don't know where they're going to go. A la Turca. Now that looks like a nice spot to eat. And this is what we come here for. Family amusements. The arcades. Kids love it. Hard to pull the missus away from the penny machines. Look kids, look. The favourite. What does it say? Yeah? Anyway, let's hit the beach. Babe? It's almost a perfect day. It's just not. It's not as sunny and warm as you'd want it to be in summer. And there's a light breeze. So if it was just that little bit warmer, it would be perfect. And it'd be nice to take a dip. But I mean, it would be just double the amount of people here. It'd just be absolutely heaving. So this looks like the entrance to the beach. It looks like there's some kind of bouncy castles or fun stuff to do for the kids on the actual beach as well. When we go around here, I'll just point over there. Yeah, there's some of those bouncy castles and swings, it looks like. Ah, trampolines, yeah, there you go. That's nice. And yeah, it's busy, but not that busy. I mean, if it was really, really warm, if it's in the 20s, I'm sure this place would be heaving. But this is ideal. It's perfect for June. What are your initial thoughts, babe?
Ramsgate is lovely for the family because it's a sandy beach. There's an amusement park directly behind the actual beach area. Lots of restaurants and conveniences like toilets and so forth. So yeah, it's lovely and nice, what would I say, turquoise waters.
So we're leaving Ramsgate now. We had some fun in the arcades and we're going to head to Broadstairs now. There's a nice fish and chip place there, so hopefully we'll get some good footage of the fish and chips there. We've been there before, it's absolutely lovely. The fish was fresh tasting, just like jumped out the sea, even winking at us on the plate. So hopefully we'll get parking there. I'm not going to use Just Park this time, I'm just going to go and wing it. And we'll see if last time we were there was some good arcades there as well, and the kids love the arcades. They're empty-handed now. They usually like the claw machines and coming with cuddlies, so let's see if they can win anything when we get there. So we've got a deal where well, not a deal, but an agreement that the kids take it in turn where we decide to eat, and it was the boys' turn and he chose fish and chips. And I remember this place from the last time we came here, either a year or 2 years ago, and the reviews are good, and there's no wonder why. It really is, it is that nice, and it's relaxing inside. It's a cool environment, just what we like. Here it is, Aqua 43. You would not regret it if you come here. Okay, we've reached the arcades now. We just had our fish and chips. Everyone's full and happy. So you can see the arcades behind us. The little ones are spending our money. So we're going to wrap up today. Anything you want to say, babe?
We had a really good time at Ramsgate. It's definitely one to do at least once. We've now come to have dinner at Broadstairs, which is the second time we visited within the last 3 years. As you would have seen earlier on, we ate at Aqua. Is it Aqua 43?
Aqua 43,
Aqua
yeah.
43. Food's still really good. So while they go to the arcades, I'm going to walk up the hill to Dickens' house.
Right, if you like these videos, please give us a like and click the notification bell to see more of our videos.
And share.
And share. And comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time,
Bye.
take care.